Tommy Cassano, founder of OutdoorBody here in Yosemite National Park. We're on Taft Point. We got our boxing flow. Are you ready? 10 minutes non-stop. We got a different combo every single minute. We're on the ledge here. We're letting it all out. We're getting wild. We're working hard every single workout. We're gonna start right off with jab, cross, 1, 2, and 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. 1, 2, jab, cross, 1. Pow, pow. Snap, snap. I'm not gonna move around too much because there is the edge right here. Snap, snap. Snap, snap. Usually I'm circling around, turning. I'm always safe when I'm on an edge like this in Yosemite Taft Point. Let's go. 1, 2. Keep that core tight. Make sure you're breathing. Snap, snap. I will turn now. 15 seconds. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. We have Yosemite Falls right there, upper and lower. We got El Cap back there. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And squats. Down, straight up. Keeping the core tight. Down, straight up. Down, straight up. Let's go. 15 seconds. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 2. Getting right into it. 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 2. Jab, cross, hook, cross. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Turning on that hook. 1, 2, 3, 2. Jab, cross, hook, cross. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Got confused there for a second. 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. Let's get it. 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Jab, cross, hook, cross. 15 seconds. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2. Let's go. Let's get it. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 2. Here we go. We got push-ups. Down, straight up. Ooh, let's go. Oh yeah. Let's go. Come on. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. Step back. 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Step back. 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Step back. 2. 2, 3, 2. Step back. 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Step back. 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Step back. 2. Let's go. Step back. 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Step back. 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Step back. 2. Let's get it. 3, 2. Step back. 2. 10 seconds. Let's go. Stay with me. 3, 2. Step back. 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Step back. 2. One more. 2, 3, 2. Step back. 2. We got squats again. Down, straight up. Let's go. Stay with me. 10 seconds. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 2. We're just gonna do a baby roll. Roll. Remember, stepping right, stepping left. 1, 2, 3, 2. Roll, roll. 2, 3, 2. Roll, roll. 1, 2, 3, 2. Roll, roll. 1, 2, 3, 2. Roll, roll. Let's go. 1, 2, 2. Roll, roll. 1, 2, 3, 2. Roll, roll. 1, 2, 3, 2. Roll, roll. Sinking that booty, keeping the core tight, bringing those fists right back to the chin. Roll. 2, 3, 2. Roll, roll. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 2. Roll, roll. 2, 3, 2. Roll, roll. Push-ups. Let's go. 10, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got speed uppercuts. Turning. Let's go. Core tight. Belly button to spine. We got 1 minute non-stop. Little bit of power, speed, uppercuts. Let's go. Our next rounds, we're going 1-1, jab, jab. So everything's gonna start with a jab, jab. Twisting the hip, twisting feet. Let's go. Come on, turning. Almost there. Stay with me. Come on. 20 seconds. Let's go. Come on, baby. 15. You got this all day. All day. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jab, jab. Let's go. Jab, jab. Bring it back. Jab, jab. Bring it back. Right back to the chin. Jab, jab. Bring it back. Jab, jab. Bring it back. Let's go. Yeah. Getting that boxing flow up here on Taft Point, Yosemite National Park. We're made of granite up here. Let's go. Then we're going right back to our push-ups. 15 seconds. Jab, jab, bring it back. Jab, jab, bring it back to the chin. Let's go. 10 seconds. Back. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We got our push-ups. All the way down, all the way up. Let's get it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Jab, jab, cross. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Snap it. Snap it. Let's go. 2, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Snap it. Let's go. Give it all you got. Give it all you got. Let's get it. Come on. 10 seconds. Then we go right to squats. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. All the way down. All the way up. Let's go. You know it. We getting it. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1, 1, 2. Step back. 2. 1, 1, 2. Step back. 2. 1, 1, 2. Step back. 2. 1, 2. Step back. 2. 1, 1, 2. Step back. 2. 1, 1, 2. Step back. 2. 1, 2. Step back. 2. 1, 2. Step back. 2. 1, 1, 2. Remember, gloves come right back to the chin every time. You got rubber bands on your elbows. You're snapping back. 1, 1, 2. Back. 2. 10 seconds. 2. Step back. 2. 1, 1, 2. Step back. 2. 1, 1, 2. Step back. 2. Here we go. Going right into our push-ups. Let's go. Woo! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1, 1, 2. Step back. 2. Roll, roll. 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 Let's go. 1, 2. Step back. 2. Roll, roll. 1, 1, 2. Step back. 2. Roll, roll. 1, 1, 2. Step back. 2. Roll. One more. 1, 1, 2. Step back. 2. Roll, roll. Squats. Let's go. Down and up. We're gonna end this with high plank pushes. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. High plank. Just punch. 1 minute. Straight up. All you got. Belly button to spine. Core tight. Stay with me. Make it burn. Punch it up. Let's go. You got this. We're going a minute, non-stop. 30 seconds left. I know it's burning. Don't stop now. You're made of granite, like Yosemite. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! That's your boxing flow out here in Yosemite National Park. Way to get it. Remember, always do it 2 times, 3 times, make it a 20-30 minute workout. Boxing flow, cardio, full body, core, everything, making it burn each and every time. Thank you for joining me here at Taft Point in Yosemite National Park. I'm Tommy Cassano, founder of OutdoorBody. Let's get it, let's stay wild.